spotlight, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Namaste and good morning to one and all present here. I welcome you all for the 74th Independence Day celebration. On this wonderful occasion, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Rotarian Reggie Jose, President of Rotary Club of Royapeta, our correspondent, Suresh Navle sir, Sashi ma'am, principal ma'am, teachers, students, and parents. As it is said, freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. A very happy Independence Day to all. We start today's program with a prayer song by Master Shashank of Class 7.
கருணை தெய்வமே கற்பகமே, கருணை தெய்வமே கற்பகமே, காண வேண்டும் உந்தன் பார்ப்பதமே, என் கருணை தெய்வமே கற்பகமே, ஒரு துணையாக என் உள்ளத்தில் அமர்ந்தாய், ஒரு துணையாக என் உள்ளத்தில் அமர்ந்தாய், உனையன்றி வேறு யாரோ என் தாய், உனையன்றி வேறு யாரோ என் தாய், கருணை தெய்வமே ஆனந்த வாழ்வு அளித்திடல் வேண்டும், ஆனந்த வாழ்வு அளித்திடல் வேண்டும், அன்னையை என் மேல் இறங்கிடல் வேண்டும், அன்னையை என் மேல் இறங்கிடல் வேண்டும், நானும் உன்னை தொழுதிடல் வேண்டும், நானும் உன்னை தொழுதிடல் வேண்டும், நலமுடன் வாழ அருளல் வேண்டும், நலமுடன் வாழ அருளல் வேண்டும், கருணை தெய்வமே.
Thank you, Shashank. To start the celebration, I request our correspondent Suresh Navle sir to hoist the flag. I request all of you to stand.
Stand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. On this wonderful occasion, I request our principal, Bharati Kishore ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
Namaste to one and all present over here. A very, very, very happy Independence Day to all of you, all the people who have gathered here for this auspicious occasion. They say, Janani Janma Bhumishcha Swargadapi Gariyasi. Mother and motherland are greater than heaven, greater than Swarga. Yes. And here we are to celebrate the Independence Day, the freedom of our mother and the motherland, which happened in 1947. And I think in true sense, we are able to relish the freedom now. And in fact, I would like to say, we have also understood the meaning of the word freedom, probably because of this COVID-19. The way we were stuck into the house. I would like to mute everybody. The way we were stuck inside our home for months together, it actually made us understand the meaning of the word freedom. So here we are celebrating our Independence Day. It is the 74th Independence Day. It's a day which reminds us of our fighting spirit among the Indians. Maybe it might be the fight against the prejudices. It might be the fight against the slavery which we have undergone. And now presently, the fight against the pandemic COVID-19. Never ever we thought that we will be celebrating Independence Day virtually through online platform. We never imagined, but the times have taught us that we need to adapt to the situations. It has taught us an important lesson of survival. Yes, today we are among the deadly pandemic and our lifestyles have changed. Did we ever think that we would have worn a mask while going out anytime in our life? Never. Did we ever think that learning and teaching will become online? Never. Yes, we braved our way through this deadly pandemic and we are still fighting it. Each one of us sitting over here, the parents, the teachers, everybody is a true warrior, a warrior in the true sense. Yes, each one of us sitting there. Yes, parents who have undergone so much of trauma, so much of, you can say, tribulations, they have fought their way out and they have been excellently supporting us in our endeavor of online teaching. Thanks to all of you. So therefore, parents, you all are true warriors. You have taught us how to fight the way through. Children, my goodness, they're all, you can say, less than 15 years old. They love playing on the ground. They love to play, then they love to share their feelings. They love to share their food with each other. Their entire scenario has changed. And now we are forcing them to remain confined in the four walls of the house. And they are doing it. They are doing it. So aren't they the true warriors? Yes, they are also warriors. They are also fighting against this deadly pandemic. And I think teachers, my goodness, I have to talk about them. Overnight, they have changed themselves, the way they teach. They had to overcome a lot of technical difficulties from traditional mode to online mode, and they have done it. So hats off to you teachers. You are all warriors. You're all warriors. And today I would love to mention, 1 second. I think some technical problem. Just 1 second, bear with me. Yeah. And I would like to mention one more warrior over here, a very important warrior amongst us. our president of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, Reggie Jose. He has been a true warrior in the sense that in this pandemic situation also, he is thinking about what good could be done to the society, and he is surging himself ahead, doing good to the society. So he is also a true warrior. I welcome you, sir, for this auspicious program of Independence Day. I'm very happy that you are amongst us and you are going to advise our children. I would like to welcome all the Rotarians who are present over here, for they are all again a part of this fight against COVID-19. I would sincerely thank Rotarian Reggie Jose today on this platform for supporting us in providing us all the interactors, the certificates, which are beautifully designed. Thank you, Reggie sir, for this. And it was done in a record time. I know that. Thank you for that. So again, I welcome all the parents, the students, the teachers, all the Rotarians present here for this wonderful occasion. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Sashi Navle ma'am to introduce the chief guest, Rotarian Reggie Jose. Now Sashi ma'am will introduce the chief guest,
Yeah,
Reggie
she's there,
Jose.
she's there, she's there, she's there.
Yeah. Namaste. Happy Independence Day. All the children, staff, and my dear the audio has some problems. Yeah. Now? Okay. Now?
Children, do not fiddle with any of the buttons. Children, don't share your screen or don't chat until the program is over.
You're not audible. Ma'am, Shashi ma'am, unmute yourself. Shashi
Ma'am,
ma'am,
unmute, ma'am.
unmute, unmute, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, start ma'am. You can start.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Is it
yeah, audible.
okay? I'll start again. Namaste. Very happy Independence to you all. Brahma Satyam Jagat Nityam. All of us must be wondering what this is. This is WhatsApp status of our chief guest of the day, Rotarian Reggie Jose, the president of our parent club, Rotary Club of Rayapeta. The statement, which means nothing in this world is permanent or true except for the Brahma. He said, this is said by Shankaracharya in Advaita Vedanta. The statement or sloka depicts the thought-provoking philosophy of our president, Reggie Jose. He joined our club in 2017. And I think we did not have anybody who is so cheerful, friendly, patient, meticulous till date in our club, which is now 18 old. I extend a very warm welcome to him for this today's function. Reggie Jose works as a country manager in Caterpillar India Private Limited, and he's there for 21 years. Caterpillar is the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer and is ranked number 65 on the Fortune 500 list. He has spent most of his career in customer and dealer facing roles and was involved in after sales support, product reliability, and machine sales, and now into product compliance. Also, he is an industry advisor to a few government ministries, departments like Department of Heavy Industries, Road Transport and Highways, Mine Safety, BIS, and represents earth-moving industry in various technical bodies. He is an engineer by profession and has done bachelor's in physics from Loyola College and bachelor's in automobile engineering from Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University, Chennai. He is a certified Six Sigma black belt and has done his executive management program from Peking University, Beijing. Reggie is married to Priya Christopher, who has done her master's in business administration and worked as a senior editor for Pearson Education. They are blessed with a daughter who's doing her 10th standard in Sacred Heart Church Park School. I'm very proud to introduce my good friend in Rotary, Reggie Jose, and I welcome all the Rotarians who have joined this celebration. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sashi ma'am.
Thank
It is indeed very nice to know so many things about the chief guest. Now I request our chief guest, Reggie Jose, President of Rotary Club of Roypeta, to share a few words with all of us.
Thank you, Bharti ma'am, and thank you, Sashi ma'am, for all the kind words. I'm not sure how much of it I truly deserve. Nevertheless, respected correspondent Suresh Navaleji, Principal Bharti ma'am, Rotarian Sashi Suresh ma'am, staff, parents, students, and fellow Rotarians. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to address the young leaders and achievers of tomorrow. As I was collecting my thoughts on what I should say today to all our young friends, I thought, let me start with the basics. What is freedom all about? That's when I realized freedom is all about your right to do what you want to do, speak what you wish to say, think what you wish. In the last 50 years or so, every Independence Day chief guest in very many schools may have truly struggled to make the children understand the true meaning of freedom, freedom movement, and things like that. In a lot of ways, my work is easier because in the last 5 months, our children had to sacrifice many things that would make them truly happy, like going out to birthday parties, movies, malls, hanging out with friends, playing their favorite outdoor game, which means they could not do what they wish to do, go where they wish to go, and not even breathe air freely. Truly, in the last few months, if you look at it, they have had a first-hand experience of what losing freedom is, this time to an unknown, unseen enemy. Look at it in perspective. 100 years back, our great-grandfathers were going through something very similar, except that it was in the hands of a known enemy, the British. They could not do what they wished to do. They could not think independently. They could not think. They could not speak freely. Also, today, incidentally, is a day to remember all those people who lost their life, their family, their youth, so that we, as their children, could enjoy and cherish freedom. Today, due to unusual situations, we are not enjoying full freedom. However, I can assure you that this is only a temporary thing. As responsible children and young citizens, my only advice to you is to stay indoors as much as you can. If unavoidable and you have to go out, wear your masks when you go out, maintain social distancing, sanitize yourself regularly so that you can enjoy the full freedom which our ancestors gave us at the earliest. So going out, enjoying freedom is all in our hands if we act responsibly. Like I said before, the full freedom we enjoy came at a very, very high price. Let's enjoy it responsibly, support as much as we can to those who do not have that privilege, and ultimately, when all of you become young citizens, young adults, let's help to build a stronger nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such wonderful thought with us. As we move on with our celebration, now it's time for cultural program by the students of CSDAV. To start with, it's a Hindi speech by Harshit of 8th standard.
Yes, Harshit, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. सबको धन्यवाद। मैं 8वीं कक्षा का छात्र हर्षित हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ बातें बताना चाहता हूँ। यहाँ पर उपस्थित मुख्य अतिथि, प्रधान अध्यापिका, अध्यापिकाओं एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों को आज इस 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आज मुझे इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर कुछ बोलने का मौका मिला है। इसमें मैं अपने आप को सम्मानित महसूस करता हूँ। प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन को भारतवासी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन वह सुनहरी आजादी प्राप्त हुई थी, जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था। इस दिन भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया था। लोग गुलामी के जंजीरें तोड़कर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए थे। तब से भारत बहुत उन्नति कर चुका है। भारत के लोग आज भी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बहुत उत्साह से मनाते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं। वे राष्ट्र को एकजुट रहने की तथा अपनी स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। देश के विभिन्न भागों में इस दिन चहल पहल होती है। लोग तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं। खुशनसीब है जो वतन में मिट जाते हैं, मरकर भी वे लोग अमर हो जाते हैं। करता हूँ तुम्हें सलाम ए वतन पर मिटने वालों, तुम्हारी हर सांस में बसता तिरंगा नसीब है। यह दिवस हमें अपने महान स्वतंत्र सेनानियों तथा शहीदों का स्मरण करा जाता है। भारतवासी उनके बताए मार्ग पर चलने की संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के लोगों को आपसी मतभेद भुलाकर देश के नवनिर्माण की प्रेरणा देते हैं। अनेकता में एकता इस देश की शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Very nice.
Thank you, Harshit. As we all know, India is known for its different culture, languages, customs, but we all are one. To show this, the Tiny Tots of UKG are going to present a video with their performance. I request Aruna to present the video.
Madhavi, I'm from Alapi.
Niranjana.
We can't hear the voice.
One second.
I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nattuvar
Sabari Vinayak.
Nagar.
1 second.
Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shuprada.
Yashika.
Kolkata. My name is Shuprada. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is
Dekshika.
I'm from Vadodara. My name is Kundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher
Vaibhav.
Ajmer.
My name is Ranjit.
Rukmanya.
Parents, mute yourself, please.
My name is Ranjit. My name is Benjamin.
Pranav.
I'm from Belgium. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Belgium. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai.
Kayal Netra.
Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jaswinder.
Natish Kumar.
I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Madhuri.
Lakshana.
Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji.
Febin.
I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Farsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindiya.
Lishita.
I'm from India. My name is Bindiya. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent.
Awesome performance by the Tiny Tots of UKG. Thank you, Aruna ma'am.
Very nice.
Next we have Karthik Balaji of 8th standard to perform a solo dance.
Karthik, are you ready? Karthik Balaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should I do the screen share, ma'am?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
I made you the co-host. No, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. Yes, Karthik. Karthik, we can't hear the music. Karthik. Yeah. Karthik, unmute yourself and music is not heard.
Okay.
Start.
मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिट जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहराना इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Sorry, John,
दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमको देश भागा, चाहो तो हमको आसमाना, प्यार बात हम इश्क बात दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से बिना वाले, छोड़ते पीछे हार से बिना वाले, छिपते हार से बिना वाले, छोड़ा दे मानी बिना वाले,
Very nice, excellent.
Excellent performance, Karthik Balaji. Thank you. Next, we have English speech by Kritika Raj of 9th standard.
Shall I start, ma'am?
1 second, let me start your. Yeah, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste and happy Independence Day to everyone present here. I am Kritika Raj of 9th standard, here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. As we all know that we celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India, this day marks the anniversary of our national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India, and he unfurled our tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From that time onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. The army performs many tasks that also include a march past cultural programs. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that they sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled. On this day, we forget our differences and unite as one true nation should. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights, that is orange, white and green, just like the national flag. We all should be aware that freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from the Britishers. They were the ones who sacrificed their life for the country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. We also listen many patriotic songs that fill our heart with the feeling of patriotism and love for our country. Whenever we come near the Independence Day or Republic Day, I always remember about all those who sacrificed for their lives for our independence. So I will end this speech by wearing all about the struggle of Indians during British rule and changing the term to British India to our independent nation India. Thanks to everyone for cooperation and of course, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kritika Raj. Now Nitin of 8th standard is going to sing a patriotic song.
அச்சம் அச்சமில்லை இனி அடிமை எண்ணமில்லை நம் காலம் இங்கே கூடி போச்சு கண்ணீர் மிச்சமில்லை அச்சம் அச்சமில்லை இனி அடிமை எண்ணமில்லை நம் காலம் இங்கே கூடி போச்சு கண்ணீர் மிச்சமில்லை காலம் மாறி போச்சு நம் கண்ணீர் மாறி போச்சு நாளை நல்ல நாளை என்ற நம்பிக்கை உண்டாச்சு காலம் மாறி போச்சு நம் கண்ணீர் மாறி போச்சு நாளை நல்ல நாளை என்ற நம்பிக்கை உண்டாச்சு அச்சம் அச்சம் இல்லை இது அடிமை எண்ணம் இல்லை நம் காலம் இங்கே கூடி போச்சு கண்ணீர் மிச்சமில்லை அந்த நிலா 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 நீ கொண்டோடி வா அந்த நிலா 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 நீ கொண்டோடி வா பட்டாம்பூச்சி சுற்றும் மனிதன் என்ன மட்டம் அலை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் போனால் என்ன வானம் தலையில் தட்டும் பட்டாம்பூச்சி சுற்றும் மனிதன் என்ன மட்டம் அலை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் போனால் என்ன வானம் தலையில் தட்டும் வாடி இளைய சில்லியே வாடி இளைய சில்லியே நம் காலம் சொல்லும் நம்மை வார சொல்லியே. அம்மா அரகு கண்ணம்மா, அம்மா அரகு கண்ணம்மா, இது நம்ம பூமி என்று அறித்து சொல்லம்மா. அச்சம் அச்சமில்லை, இனி அடிமை எண்ணமில்லை, நம் காலம் இங்கே கூடி போச்சு, கண்ணீர் மிச்சமில்லையே. காலம் மாறி போச்சு, நம் கண்ணீர் மாறி போச்சு, நாளை நல்ல நாளை என்ற நம்பிக்கை உண்டாச்சு. வான பக்கம் இனி வாழ்க்கை ரொம்ப பக்கம், அச்சம் அச்சம் துச்சம் என்றால் பக்கம் பக்கம் சொர்க்கம். வான பக்கம் இனி வாழ்க்கை ரொம்ப பக்கம், அச்சம் அச்சம் துச்சம் என்றால் பக்கம் பக்கம் சொர்க்கம். பூமி துறந்து கிடக்கு, அட மனசு பய மனசு பூட்டி கிடக்கு, பூமி துறந்து கிடக்கு, மனசு பூட்டி. நம் அச்சமில்லை, அடிமை இல்லமில்லை, நம் கண்ணீர் மிச்சமில்லையே. இன்ப காற்று வீசட்டும், எட்டு திக்கும் பரவட்டும் 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 பரவட்டும், மனித பூக்கள் மலரட்டும், மனங்கள் இன்னும் விரியட்டும் 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 விரியட்டும். இன்ப காற்று வீசட்டும், எட்டு திக்கும் மனித பூக்கள் மலரட்டும், மனங்கள் இன்னும் விரியட்டும், குற்றம் குற்றம் விரியட்டும், சுற்றம் சுற்றம் வாரட்டும், வட்டம் வட்டம் விரியட்டும், வானம் தொட்டு வளரட்டும், வட்டம் வட்டம் விரியட்டும், வானம் தொட்டு வளரட்டும், வட்டம் வட்டம் விரியட்டும், வானம் தொட்டு வளரட்டும்.
Thank you, Nitin. It's time for some music now. Gokul Karthik of 8th standard is going to play keyboard, followed by a Tamil speech.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் எஸ் கோகுல் கார்த்திக். நான் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். அனைவருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நாம் சுதந்திரமாக நம் தாய் மண்ணில் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசித்துக் கொண்டு இருக்கிறோம் என்றால் அதற்கு காரணம் நம்முடைய தேசத்து தலைவர்களும் போராட்ட வீரர்களுமே. இப்படி எத்தனையோ பேர் தங்கள் உயிரை தியாகம் செய்துள்ளனர். அவர்களின் கனவுகளை நினைவாக்க இந்தியாவை ஜாதி மதம் தீவிரவாதம் லஞ்சம் வறுமை இல்லாத நாடாக மாற்ற வேண்டும். பெண்களின் பாதுகாப்பை உறுதி செய்ய வேண்டும். மகாத்மா காந்தி அறவழியில் போராடி அகிம்சை என்னும் மாபெரும் மந்திரத்தை உலகிற்கு தந்தவர். வீரம் பற்றி பேசினாலே சத்ரன் நினைவிற்கு வருவார் வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மன். தனது இறுதி மூச்சு வரை ஆங்கிலேயரை தந்த இடத்தால் வென்றவர். நேதாஜி சுபாஷ் சந்திர போஸ் போரின் மூலமே ஆங்கிலேயரை எதிர்க்க முடியும் என்று இந்திய தேசிய ராணுவத்தை உருவாக்கி ஆங்கிலேயரை எதிர்த்தவர். பகத்சிங் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய புரட்சியாளர். சி சுப்பிரமணிய பாரதியார் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமெம்படில்லையே உச்சி மீது வாளிருந்து வீழுகின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமெம்படில்லையே உள்ளிட்ட பல சமூக சீர்திருத்த சிந்தனைகள் மூலமும் புரட்சி கவிதைகள் மூலமும் விடுதலை போருக்கு வித்திட்டவர். காந்தியும் காமராஜரும் நேருவும் நேதாஜியும் பட்டேலும் பாரதியும் செய்த தியாகத்திற்கு உயிர் கொடுப்போம். இந்திய எல்லையில் தன் உயிரை துச்சமாக எண்ணி நம் தாய்நாட்டை எதிரிகளிலிருந்து காப்பாற்றும் ராணுவ வீரர்களை இந்நாளில் வணங்குவோம். வலிமையான இந்தியாவை வல்லரசு ஆக்குவோம். அதன் பின் ஆடுவோம் பாடுவோம் ஆனந்த சுதந்திரம் அடைந்து விட்டோம் என்று. வாழ்க பாரதம், வளர்க இந்தியா. ஜெய்ஹிந்த். நன்றி.
Thank you, Gokul Karthik. Excellent performance by Gokul Karthik. Now Sandhya of 10th standard is going to give a dance performance.
Ma'am, I said I need to share the video.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, you have to start.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिख पड़िए तू बेचारिए जाम करिए हाय कोई तो चल सिख पड़िए तू बेचारिए जाम करिए चपले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाड़े नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाड़े नीले आसमाने के तले
Very nice.
Thank you, Sandhya.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a wonderful and successful virtual Independence Day celebration. As we come to the end of the program, I request Ms. Rosaline to deliver the vote of thanks.
Namaste to one and all present for this wonderful Independence Day program. On behalf of our management, staff and students, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our Chief Guest, Rotarian Reggie Jose, President, Rotary Club of Royapettah, who has taken his precious time out and graced the section. Thank you, sir. My words may not suffice to express the sense of gratitude to Suresh sir and Sashi ma'am, who even in this time of pandemic made everyone gather virtually to make this as a memorable flag hoisting ceremony. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Bharati Kishore, who has planned impeccably and with her expert and able guidance has helped us to make this program a great success. It gives me immense pleasure to thank all the participants with a special mention to our performers who spread their patriotic favor in the air. My special thanks to my fellow teachers and our wonderful students for their valuable presence this morning. I'm thankful to all the parents and well-wishers who, with their energetic participation, had made this program a great success. Thank you, one and all.
I would also like to thank all the Rotarians who are present over here to encourage us. Thank you, all the Rotarians. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rosalyn.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rosalyn, ma'am. Now I request Master Sashank to sing the national anthem.
Let us all stand for the
Let us
national
all stand for the national anthem.
I think Aruna, you're sharing the screen, Yogeshwari?
No, ma'am. Supriya is screen sharing.
Supriya's doing it.
नहीं दिख रहा
Sashank, you have to unmute yourself if you are, I have muted you. Just check.
Yes.
1 second, 1 second. Supriya, are we ready?
Ma'am, you can spotlight correspondent sir also. He is also ready.
जय उच्चल
Sashank, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Sashank.
गाहे तब जय गाथा
कलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य जय